In today's Delft Stack tutorial video, we will learn how to change the location settings in Safari on your iPhone. This is useful if you want to control which websites can access your location or if you want more privacy while browsing. There are a couple of ways to manage location in Safari, depending on what you want to do. Let's start with the most common method, which is controlling location access for Safari. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services at the top. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Now scroll down until you find Safari websites and tap on it. Here, you will see different options like Never, Ask Next Time, or When I Share, and while using the app. If you select Never, Safari will not be able to access your location at all. If you choose Ask Next Time, or When I Share, Safari will ask for permission whenever a website requests your location. If you select While using the app, Safari can access your location only when you are actively using it. Choose the option that fits your needs. Now, before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, let's look at how to manage location access for specific websites. Open Safari and go to any website that asks for your location. When the site requests access, you will see a prompt. You can choose Allow, Don't Allow, or Ask. Your choice will be saved for that specific website. If you want to change this later, open the Settings app again, scroll down and tap Safari. Then scroll down and tap on Location. Here you can adjust how Safari handles location requests across websites. Another thing to keep in mind is that Safari uses your iPhone's actual GPS location. There is no built-in feature on iPhone to manually set or fake a different location inside Safari. If you need to appear in a different location, that usually requires third-party tools, which are not part of iPhone settings. Once you have adjusted your settings, open Safari and browse as usual. Websites will now follow the location permissions you selected. That's it. You have successfully changed and managed location settings for Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.